Step 1. Get your coin nice and shiny by dipping it in hydrochloric acid. Step 2. Get your shiny coin and put it into a solution of zinc and potassium hydroxide. Like this. And then heat it over the hot flame of a Bunsen burner. Now burn the copper coin in the solution. Boil it as long as you can, very gently, and always remove the test tube from the flame when it starts boiling too hot, like that. And you do this until the coin turns a solid silver color. Next step, rinse out your copper coin that you galvanized, like that. Now you got a nice shiny silver coin, and if you heat it up in the flame, it will turn into brass. Step 5, get your silver coin and drag it through a flame of a Bunsen burner like that. And you should keep twisting it. So I will come back. Like so. And always keep turning it when you heat it up. And don't get it melting or anything too hot. Just heat it up a little and twist it to make it even. And then it will slowly turn yellow golden. Okay, I think we're almost done. I'll twist it some more. And now I'm gonna clean it.